whereas the Urban Decay set, whereas the Fix Glossy Fix Glossy oh my goodness, Fix Glossy fi glow sórí ojú mi, ṣùgbọ́n Urban Decay setting spray wá lẹ makeup sórí ojú mi dada. Girl, that was hard. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me attempting to do a makeup tutorial in Yoruba. Honestly, this was very hard. I really thought I could do this, but I struggled. Like, I struggled to the point where it's actually embarrassing. Like, I'm actually scared to put this up because I feel like Yoruba people all over the world would just be laughing at me, mocking me. I tried, mo try. Ṣùgbọ́n mi ò get it all the way dada. The thing with me is mo lè gbọ́ Yoruba dada, ṣùgbọ́n mi ò lè sọ dada. It sounds like mo lè sọ dada when I'm saying it now, ṣùgbọ́n mi ò lè sọ dada at all. Mo try gan, but very hard. Very, very hard. If you don't know, Yoruba is a tribal language from Nigeria because I am Nigerian. I've been seeing, I feel like there's lip gloss on my teeth. I've been seeing all the Ghanaian girls do this in Tree, and I feel like all the Ghanaian girls in the UK can speak their language, but us, okay, let me not speak for all of us, but me, I find it very hard to speak Yoruba. I can understand it so well, but when it comes to speaking it, it's just so hard. It's a really hard language to speak. After seeing this video, you guys will see how bad I am, and any help, any teaching assistance would be gladly appreciated because it's terrible. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it was terrible. But my makeup turned out alright, despite the fact that my Yoruba was trash. Why is the thing is, okay, maybe I put too much bittersweet. I want this lip to be more like pinky in the middle. Okay, so I'm gonna move straight on to the makeup tutorial in Yoruba. Jọ̀ọ́ ṣàánú mi. Jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀. Mo ti already ṣe irú ojú mi láti save time. Mo ń lo palette ní Urban Decay Christine Liane palettes. This is sad. Oh my god, I can't do this. Mo ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú kọ́lọ̀ yìí, orúkọ kọ́lọ̀ yìí ni Tajin. Mo ń lo brushy were very fluffy. Actually, mo ń lo brushy instead. Is over dirty, so I don't want to show you too much. So apply colour yìí nínú crease mi. I like to shade eyeshadow gradually. How do you say because? I'm gonna use Google Translate. I actually can't, because this is gonna take me ages. I like to shade slowly because to build up the color. I don't know how to say that in Yoruba. Mo ń buff colour yìí nínú crease mi slowly. I'm sure there's a word for slowly. Wow, Google Translate is trash. Guys, tell me what the word for slowly is down below because I can't remember. But let me just move on to the next step. So, mostly Paris application color here. So next, ma lo color yìí. Oh no! Orúkọ color yìí ni Leo àti Brixton. Mo máa lo ọwọ́ mi fún application yìí. This doesn't sound right. Anyway, mo máa lo ọwọ́ mi. Mo máa pack color lórí ojú mi. Why did I pick this color, please? Eyeshadow application you are very easy. Mo fẹ́ ṣe easy nítorí pé mi ò fẹ́ kẹ́ struggle pẹ̀lú makeup. Makeup were very easy if you just take your time. Once color ẹ wá sórí ojú ẹ, wàá máa gbé brush tá lò earlier. Wow! Wàá máa gbé brush tá Talo before. Wama buffer ninu color crease. To wow. You put bro, I don't even know what I'm trying to say in English. My Yoruba does not sound like it, just sounds funny. I even know this doesn't sound right. Me like color Yoruba. I don't know why I picked it. Color you are very ugly. My camera's not really making it look any better. We'll have to carry on. I know the word for butt is shugbon. That's a very, very funny word. Some Yoruba words sound really funny, like shugbon and igbe. This is actually harder than it looks. I dare you, one of you British, Yoruba, Nigerians to do this. I actually dare you. I thought I can actually do this, but I can't. It's really hard. So next, Momagbe eyeliner me, Momagbe sori oju mi. Eyeliner that I'm using today is Inglot number 77 liner. Eyeliner. I say it. Whoa, eyeliner yeah. Oh, are very black, sha. So it's good. I'm trying to think of the word. I think my problem is I'm trying to think of it like literally, like how to say it in Yoruba literally, because I'm literally like thinking of the words in English and I'm thinking of how to say it word for word in Yoruba, and that's not how Yoruba works. So hard. Okay, so I like to shave very slowly. Nítorí pé Kani, I know Kani means if, so Kani I shave fast. So if you do it fast, oh my mess up. So me o fair shave fast, more like to shave very slow. So very slow strokes. I don't like this eyeshadow at all. I don't know who begged me to pick it. This is actually auntie eyeshadow. This is very appropriate for this for this tutorial. Wing outs line on me. So Jua Adabi Ologbo. I'm just taking my time, just slowly but surely. And then Mama drag it. Jackie shaking it off camera. Okay, mo ti ṣe liner mi. Mo try láti ṣe very sharp, ṣùgbọ́n ojú yìí is giving me problems. It's not as sharp as I want it. But this eye, oh, are very sharp. Oh, are sharp gone. So, jẹ́ ká continue. So, mo fẹ́ ṣe irun ojú mi. So, mo ma lo mascara. Orúkọ mascara mi ni YSL Baby Doll Mascara. So mo ma lo yẹn pẹ̀lú lórí irun ojú mi. And then I'm going to take my false lashes and put them on top because I don't know how to say that in Yoruba. So yeah. I actually feel like it's not straight. It's really annoying me. Anyway, let's move on. Orúkọ color yìí ni Lime Time. Màá lo Lime Time nísàlẹ̀ ojú mi. Glue yẹn ti dry, so mo máa gbé lashes sórí ojú mi. Màá ṣe báyìí. Màá máa pinch it so that you know it's on dada. Wàá make sure pé lash yẹn ó wà very close to lash line yìí. Nítorí pé it won't look natural. I don't know how to say that. Oh gosh, I'm really struggling. I really don't know how to say that. That's so terrible. So the lashes are on. Lashes, how do you say that in Yoruba? Lashes day. My little brush to talo earlier. Wama fi black eyeliner yeah. Ninu soke no ninu okay no soke. You guys, you know what I'm trying to say, like upstairs. How do you say up? Oh my gosh. Why am I be liner here? Why am I fish soke ojú ẹ? Nítorí pé don't want anybody to detect where the iroju is. So wamashe liner here, soke loroju. I'm sure that didn't make sense. It made sense in my head. I don't know if it made sense on camera. Check and move on. Okay, so wafi mascara lori nirojue imrojue on nisale. I was about to say on the bottom, but then I remembered. All the Yoruba people, I'm sure you lot are laughing at me right now because I'm terrible. So monfi imroju kekere lori isale ojumi kekere iroji morani primark monlemo ojumi elati wa very patient pẹ̀lú kini. So I'm only putting 3 meta monfi sorry ojumi. So 1 méjì àti mẹ́ta. Okay, so àti parí ojú, this is what it's looking like. Jẹ́ ká move on, sorry, the rest of the face. Mo máa padà. 1 second. Okay, mo fẹ́ blush up, mo fẹ́ dàbí doll baby. So màá mú blush me, orúkọ blush me ni Sweet as Cocoa, so that my cheeks were very rosy. I want ọkùnrin máa fẹ́ mi. I'm sure I said that wrong as well. I want ọkùnrin máa fẹ́ mi. Do you know what I think? I don't think it's because I can't speak Yoruba. I think it's just my this girl was talking about it. It's like do re mi and all that stuff. I think it's 1, my accent, and 2, I don't know the what do you call it? I think it's the vowels. I don't know how to say it properly. Like do, like there's a way you speak Yoruba, like it's literally like a song, like you sing it, and I just can't get the grips of it. Do you know what I mean? If you don't have a Nigerian accent, Yoruba just doesn't sound right on you. You just have to have a Nigerian accent. Okay, oti dabe. So mo fẹ́ glow. So to glow, ma lo Mariah Carey highlighter. This one is limited edition. Agbe lori high points of my cheeks. Mo pe word for mouth is enu, ṣùgbọ́n mi ò mọ word for lips. So if you know the word for lips in Yoruba, please leave it below because I've forgotten, because clearly I'm not very good at this. But mo lo bittersweet liner mi. This one mora ni MAC. Uma base spice ni lip gloss from MAC. Sorry, okay. Bittersweet liner. So what that? Lastly, Emma mo setting spray. Setting spray actually momalo meji. No, momalo setting spray meji. First one is the MAC. First one ni MAC Fix Plus spray. Ati Urban Decay All Nighter spray. Momalo. I think I'm getting it all wrong. It's the way I'm saying it. Okay, momalo. Okay, that's it. Momalo. Fix Plus C first. Lati Fix Plus C. Oma fun ojumi glow. No, that doesn't make sense. Oma Fix Plus C ma. Whereas the Urban Decay set. Whereas the Fix Plus C ma wa. Fix Plus C wa. Oh my goodness. Fix Plus C wa fi glow sorry ojumi ṣùgbọ́n Urban Decay setting spray wa le makeup sorry ojumi dada. Girl, that was hard. Okay, once you've done that, ati Barry Ishe makeup. This was real Ishe boy, because this thing was hard. Oh god, oh god. Okay, I feel like this is not blended to my neck whatsoever, so just gonna bronze up my neck. Had enough of the Yoruba mambo jumbo language. Joking, joking. This is what ojumi looks like. Morope moshe ishe dada. What do you think? I'm sure I didn't say that right either. What do you think of the limps? What do you think of the ojus? What do you think of my imu? What do you think of my enu? Yeah. Okay, so that was the end of the video. I hope it wasn't too bad. I know the Yoruba was trash. I'm not gonna lie, it was really, really bad. But this is harder than it looks. I thought it would be just easy, but it's harder than it looks. I dare you guys to do it. This would be like a challenge for us. Let us Nigerian girls come together like the Ghanaian girls been doing. I've been seeing you Ghanaian girls do your tree. It sounds really good. So let's do our own now. Let the Yoruba girls do our own. Ours, but since they're not doing our own, so please, any Yoruba Nigerians that are watching this, try this video, especially if you can't speak Yoruba, because it will force you to speak it. It's so hard to speak, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please, like I said, please don't cuss me. I just really, really tried. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.